everyone, today we'll be unboxing Bose AirDops 121V2 True Wireless Earbuds. So I have this cute little box with me, perfect for gifting someone. On the front side of this box, there's an image of the charging case along with the earbuds and it says Get Set Play. If you look at the back side of this box, there are some key features mentioned like 3 times extra charge, instant pairing, single press, voice assistant and easy access. So this is all about the box. Let's open it and see what's inside. So the box looks really neat. There's a mini box inside this box, the charging case and all the booklets. So first we have the 1-year warranty card from the company, so it's a good deal, and one extra booklet which contains the information about other products provided by Bose. And here we have the user manual. It contains all the necessary information like the technical specifications, and it details out all the key features that are available. Let's see what's inside this mini box. So there are some spare ear tips. You can use the one which is the perfect fit for you. And there's a charging cable. It's a traditional micro USB. It's a beautiful charging case from Bose. It looks premium. It has matte finish and it's made up of plastic. The body is strong. Here's the charging port. You can charge it using this USB cable. So I'll open it now. So this is the display screen where you can see the percentage of battery left. It works on magnetic touch. So this is all about the charging case. Now I'll take out the earbuds. So these are the earbuds. They are ergonomically designed so they'll fit your ears perfectly. They have matte finish and that's why they look so stylish, and they're lightweight also. They have a multi-purpose touch button to answer calls, change songs and for voice assistance. So this was all about the unboxing of the Bose AirDops 121V2 True Wireless Earbuds. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, stay tuned. We all need a good pair of wireless earbuds to give us company during our daily activities like jogging, dancing, listening to music, cleaning and so on. And recently I got my hands on these earbuds and trust me, I have never been this satisfied with a pair of wireless earbuds. Hi everyone, I'm Benita and today we will be talking about the Bose AirDops 121V2 True Wireless Earbuds. These are the Bose 121V2 earbuds and they look very premium to me. They have beautiful matte finish and the body is made up of plastic and it seems very strong. On the back side of these earbuds, there's the single multifunction button here to answer calls, to play pause music and to enjoy voice assistant. And there's this LED light indicator here as well. Now these earbuds are ergonomically designed. They will feel very comfortable in your ears. Let me try them. They feel very comfortable and they're fitting my ears perfectly. Even when I'm moving, they are not falling. And in case if you face any trouble with the fitting, you can always use these 4 extra ear tips provided by the company. Yeah, so that was all about the earbuds. I will talk about the charging case now. You can see this is the charging case. It's premium in design, it's compact and handy, it's light in weight as well. So there are 3 color options to pick from: midnight blue, cherry blossom and active black. Now on the back side there's this charging port here. You can use the micro USB charging cable given by the company to charge this charging case like this. And if I open this charging case, you will find the display screen here. It will indicate the percentage of battery left. Now I'll put the earbuds inside this case. You can see that the magnetic attraction inside this case is very strong. Now the LED lights on the earbuds will blink in red, which means that they are charging. So overall, this charging case is portable. You can carry this charging case with you wherever you go. And yes, the body and design of the Boat AirDops 121 V2 looks quite good to me. This charging case has a powerful battery capacity of 380 mAh and it takes almost 2 hours to charge fully. With these earbuds, you can enjoy a playtime of almost 3.5 hours and an additional playtime of almost 10.5 hours with this charging case, which is very impressive. These earbuds come with the latest Bluetooth version 5.0 and with a range of 10 meters. So you can easily connect these earbuds to any Bluetooth enabled device near you. With these earbuds, you can enjoy hands-free calling and voice assistant, and these earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS. Now talking about the performance, Boat AirDops 121 V2 has powerful 8mm drivers for immersive audio experience all day long. As far as I have used these earbuds, they have great sound quality, fine bass and noise cancellation when used indoors is very good. So these are a very good value for money. I would recommend this product because these have become my companion in my daily activities.
Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Boat AirDops 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. So as you can see, this is the box that it comes in. It says the product name is written on the top. It says Get Set Play, and it says dual tone ergonomic design, immersive auditory experience on the box on the top. Once you turn it at the back, there are some specifications mentioned. So some features: it has 3x charge, single press voice assistant, instant pairing, Bluetooth version 5.0, easy access multifunction control with mic. Okay, and let's just go ahead and unbox this, open it up. Remove the wrapping. That's what the box looks like, and there are two seals, one at the bottom. Okay, once you remove both the seals, the product just slides out. Okay, and these are the Boat 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. As you can see, it's got a little bit of an indicator display there. So the side, what else do you get? So you get a little box which would contain the charging cable. Yep, so it has a micro USB charging cable. You get 4 extra ear tips that come in the box. Okay, and what else do you get in the box? So you get some documents. There's a quick start guide, user manual, quick start guide, and some other documents that come. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Boat AirDops 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to pair the Boat AirDops 121 V2 True Wireless Earbuds with your smartphone. So these are the Boat AirDops 121 version 2 earbuds. Once you open them up, as you can see on the LED display, they show that these are 90% charged. What you need to do is you need to take them out, and on your smartphone, now once you take them out, you'll see that they start to flash blue and red alternatively. So they both start to flash. Now on your smartphone, you need to go into your Bluetooth settings, make sure your Bluetooth is switched on, and click pair new device. And these show up as AirDops space 121 V2. So that's capital AIRDOPS, not well, capital A, but AirDOPS 121 V2. Go ahead, click it. It says pairing, pair, and these are now connected. They say that they are active and it has 100%, they have 100% battery. So there you are, folks. That's how you actually pair the Boat AirDOPS 121 V2 true wireless earbuds with your smartphone. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.